Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are feeling fine. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty God. Look at this, a lot of water in my village. Look at this. The flood water also entered the house. Look at this. It is filled with rainwater all around and road. Look at this. So much water is blowing over our village narrow road. Look at this. The people of the village are having a lot of problems to travel. গ্রামের মানুষের যাতায়াত করতে অনেক সমস্যা হচ্ছে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা. The people of the village are facing problems because of flood. The people of the village are not able to go outside because of the flood. Look at this. The road is submerged in flood water. How water is going over the road, you can see. All around of the field are filled in the flood water, you can see. The people of the village are facing a lot of problem because of flood. Look at this. The people of the village are not able to go outside because of the flood water. Look at this. How water is going over the road. Look at this.